So my Glossybox got here today, and this is going to be the very last one I unbox. I may get this in the future, I'm not sure. So let's take a look. So here's the box for this month. I love the design on the box, so cute. The theme for this box is summertime. This says, "See you soon." It even said that on the inside of the box. Their attention to detail is what I like so much about this subscription box. The little ribbon down to the sticker, just like a present, and I really like that. So the first thing I pull out is from Skin Cosmetics. This is Infusion, Recover, and Renew Single-Use Facial Masks. This is supposed to help reduce acne and the appearance of wrinkles. So this is from the brand Kuji. This is a facial makeup remover, and it'll remove all of your long wearing makeup. Also, it has soft oils that'll even remove your waterproof makeup, and it'll leave your skin feeling fresh and clean. So next up from John Masters Organics, this is a citrus and norley detangler. This has grapefruit and soy protein tone to hydrate and strengthen your hair. So also from John Masters Organics, we have hairspray, and this has a light citrus smell, so it smells good. And it's non-sticky, it has a touchable hold, and it also has beneficial nutrients that your hair needs. So next up from NCLA, this is So Rich Cuticle Oil in Mermaid Tears. That's cute. This has vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, so it's supposed to nourish your nails and cuticles. It's also said to prolong the life of your manicure, and it smells really good. So the last item in the box, this is from It's Skin. This is a mini macaroon lip balm. They had different flavors. Mine came in pineapple. I like how it looks like a little macaroon, even down to the smallest detail. This has vitamin derivatives and fruit extracts, which are going to make your lips healthy. That's about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.